I've got the
Wrist
watch,
monitor.
but I got the monitor on my knee.
We look like we got iPhone watches.
Yeah, but it's not. I got it.
It's heavy. Not too bad.
Not so bad. Not so
And
bad.
this is the other one?
Yeah. And the watch.
How does it make you feel to have to wear that?
How does it make you feel to have to wear that?
You know, stressed, frustrated, you know, because I don't want it. Because I'm not
Criminal.
like when you see that you say you are a criminal, you know. But I'm right. I don't know what's gonna happen in my work. Like someone will look at me, this guy is criminal, like discrimination, like tonight. But it's okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna work, do my work and enjoy my life after. I don't know what happens next, but I'm gonna. Right.
Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Do you mind if
Let me know that you're speaking with us.
Thank
sorry.
you too.
Thanks,
Thank you
good luck,
for.
good luck to you.
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck. Thank you so much.
We're going
You're
to
so
go to the
gracious.
court. Did you get the information from Able Law to talk to them?
Yes.
Okay, they said they're going to give you a